Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And any of you guys who are seeing my face for the first time, I am Dhwani. Hello all. And what I'm going to do today is review a hair topper. So if you guys are seeing me for the first time, or if you guys don't know, I'm somebody who is suffering from androgenetic alopecia, and I was diagnosed at a very young age, like at the age of 15, and I'm 29 right now. So I do have androgenetic alopecia, and I can show you how my scalp looks like. So this is my parting is where I experienced most thinning. And as I mentioned earlier in my first video about the androgenetic alopecia, that I have been trying to indulge myself into alternate hair options and see if I feel good with hair toppers or wig. So yeah, finally I have a hair topper. So Univigs was kind enough to send me a hair topper. So this hair topper has been gifted and it's from Univigs. So what is hair topper? So while I'm taking it out, I'll just say something about hair topper. So hair topper is it's a hair extension. It's a very big hair extension, if you say so, to cover the scalp of your head. So if you're somebody who is like me, so if you're somebody who has a female pattern hair loss, you will be experiencing most of the thinning on the crown region, and your front hairline would be intact, if you can see mine. So you can just get away wearing a hair topper, and you don't need to wear a complete wig. You can just get away having a hair topper that covers up your thinning and go about your day. So this is my a bit of what you call words on hair topper. And also I think I personally feel that hair topper is the easiest way in the world of alternate hair. So if you're somebody who wants to try out alternate hair options but you're not sure where to start with, I think hair topper is perfect for you. So this is how the hair topper looks like. So this is in natural black, so it is a perfect hair color match for me. You can't even tell which is my hair and which is the hair topper hair. Probably you can, because my hair is frizzy. But yeah, it's proper color match. And this hair topper is it's human hair topper. It's like Remy human hair topper, and it's really soft. So this is, as you can see, it's a straight hair, and hence I have straightened my hair. If you can tell, I have curly hair. I have tried my best to straighten my hair. But what I will do in future is I would probably curl this baby up, have some waves, and try to match it to my hair texture. So I don't need to straighten my hair. Let me just go through the technical details of this topper. So this is 5.5 cross 5.5 Claire mono topper. So let me tell you what mono means. So mono is a kind of a base. So if you can see, it's a net base. And the good thing about net bases in general is if you're somebody who gets hot, like I get hot really, I sweat a lot. So if you're somebody who sweat a lot or who is going out in sun, I think you want something that's breathable. So you're not sweating much. It should not be like a cap. And I think this is a very good option for that. And it's very light. It's really light to carry, and it has a lace front. So if you are getting topper right out of the box, it will have a lace in the front, and you're supposed to cut it. I hope you can see the lace here. So yeah, I did cut the lace off camera because I was doing this for the first time and I was not comfortable doing it on camera, and I didn't want to screw it up. So I thought for the first time, doing off the camera is a good option. Maybe sometime in future I'll do it in my next video, but I did cut the lace off the camera. And this is the wefting. So this is all the wefting, and it comes with 4 pressure clips. And to operate this clips is very easy. It's like see, that easy. So this is the technical details, I would say, on the topper. And let me show you how I would wear it. Now the first thing before wearing, you'll make sure is like there should not be any hair of the topper that are in the clip. So just make sure that there are no hair getting in between the clips. So this is it. And what I'll do is I will just part my hair in the center. So I think my hair is parted well in the center. So I will go ahead and take the topper and make sure all the clips are open. And so this is the parting of the topper. Okay, so this is the topper parting. I hope you guys can see it well, and I will just wear it. So let's see. I will be okay. Just make sure it. So I'm going to use my hairline to blend it. So this is where my, okay, this is where, and make sure you hold this point because you don't want your topper to move. What I'll do is I'll just clip the front clip here and then go around and do all my clips. So I have adjusted my topper. If you feel like your topper needs more adjustment, you can just open and reclip it and be okay to stretch it a bit of the base because it's fine. So if you can see here, let me just adjust the camera more. Yeah, so I hope you can see my scalp pretty well, and this is how my hairline looks like, you know. So this is my own hair and this is the topper hair, but the color is a great match, guys. Like, yeah. So what I would do is I would take a clip and just clip the hair bit back so it doesn't come on my face much, because I think I have a very tiny face, so I don't want hair to be on my back. And this is how it's going to look like. So yeah, I think it looks pretty cute. And what I'll go ahead and do is I'll probably twist this side up as well and use my front hairline hair and make a cute little Greek style, if that makes sense, or if I'm doing a good job. So this is how the topper looks right off the box, and this is all my hair. And the good part about this topper is like you can pull your hair up in a ponytail. So this is how it looks from the back, and you can see through my hair. So some of their hair in my hair and some of it's like topper hair, but because the color is a good match, you guys can say so. So I'll keep wearing my hair like this, and in future I'll be sharing more hairstyle with this topper, and I'll also do my headbang test to make sure the topper doesn't move. I like flipping my hair. Yeah, but it didn't move. I think it's pretty much in place. And make sure whenever you wear the topper, you want topper to be sitting flat on your scalp. Like, you don't want any gap from your scalp and topper. So just make sure, arrange it, take your time. I think it took me a while to wear the topper right, but yeah, just make sure it's flat. So this is, I think it feels good. It feels very light, and for a tiny face like me, I think it's pretty good, and a pretty good point for starting into. So I think it's A+. I think because I mean I can just flip around and have fun. I would give this topper an A+. And Uniwigs was kind enough to send me a code. The code is BBY for 15% off. So this code is not affiliated, so I'm not going to get any commission from it, but it's for you guys if you guys want to go ahead and try out any of their products. So if you go on their site, they have crazy tons of products. Like, they have toppers, they have wigs, they have synthetic wigs, like they carry a pink wig. Now I would want to try a pink wig someday, but if you guys are into or want to try out toppers, they have a lot of options. They have a lot of base options. So like, they have mono top, lace top, silk top, different lengths. They have all the colors. They have platinum blonde, brunette, red. Options are limitless. They also have bangs. So go ahead and check it out for Uniwigs. And one more thing I would like to add is because I'm new in exploring toppers and all, and I did check out a lot of sites, I think Uniwigs has priced their products very reasonably. So if you're somebody who is just starting out, their wig options or alternate hair options are very reasonable, and they ship pretty quick. So yeah, do check them out, and I'll be sharing more hairstyles with this, and I'll be sharing how my experience was wearing this. And I'll be trying more options to customize this topper. So one of the things I have seen people doing is they'll be using some sort of concealer here on the part to make the part of the topper more their own scalp-like, or they would bleach the knots. Like I am planning to bleach the knots, and I will record that video and put it up either on my Instagram or here on YouTube. And I'll be leaving the link of my Instagram below for you guys to check out, either for toppers or my alopecia journeys, incidents, anecdotes, anything. So feel free to follow me or DM me about anything on my Instagram, and do give check out to Uniwigs. They're pretty cool in what they're doing. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, have a good day. Bye bye.